is a leading manufacturer of glass wash basin. Top Yacht was founded in 2003 with glass wash basin and bathtubs. For glass wash basin, we have a variety of different colors, different sizes, and different shapes. We accept OEM and ODM. We can make new models based on customers' design and color requirements. We focus on quality. Our company established a quality management system in accordance with the ISO 9001 standard. Products are CE, CUPC certified. For glass wash basin production, we have glass cutting table. Each sets glass basin forming furnace. 1 sets glass washer, 4 sets driller, 6 sets polisher, and 2 spraying production lines to make the glass wash basin from original glass to qualified glass wash basin. The edges of the glass pieces are carefully smoothed and polished to ensure safety and aesthetics. This step is important to prevent any sharp edges that could cause harm. Depending on the design, decorative treatments like painting, etching, or adding patterns may be applied to the glass surface. We focus on quality before moving forward. The glass wash basins undergo food quality checks. These checks ensure that each basin meets safety standards, is free from defects, and matches the intended design. Once the glass wash basins pass quality control, they are carefully packaged to prevent damage during transportation. The arsenic sheets are heated until they become palatable. They are then carefully jabbed over the mold to take the desired shape. The surface of the arsenic bathtub can be finished in various ways, including polishing, sanding, or buffing to achieve the desired texture and appearance. This step ensures the bathtub is comfortable to the touch and visually appealing. Each bathtub undergoes rigorous quality control checks. These checks include inspecting the shape, dimensions, surface finish, and overall structural integrity of the bathtub. Depending on the design, various features like faucet holes, overflow systems, and drain openings can be added to the bathtub. Once the arsenic-free standing bathtub has passed all quality checks, it is carefully packaged to prevent damage during transportation. Thank you for watching. If you are ready to take your business to the next level, contact us today and experience the difference of working with a company that's committed to excellence.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.